Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G45 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down again to localize more security and privacy. Scroll down again and find Encryption Credentials. So here we've got the option we're looking for, clear credentials, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.